We came home because we forgot her Barbie camper's out here. Ah, save the Barbie camper!
God.
Goldfish soup.
There's a puddle in here.
It's a Barbie camper. They're tough. Adley, do you want some goldfish soup?
No!
Eat it.
Because you all looks like... Ew!
These are Niko's new favorite food. Do you like Sammy's? Nom, 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 nom. Brandon, can I get some chomping sound effects here, please?
Nom, 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 nom. Oh, nom, nom, nom.
There's another one.
Whoa, that's too big. He'll shove the whole thing in his mouth.
I know, I wanted to vlog
I
it.
know.
He's a monster, a Sammy monster. Oh, that's how much he likes sandwiches. We're going to a neighborhood party, but not this neighborhood, the lake. So there's people that live on their lake lots. We don't live there, we live here. But we've started landscaping and I think our lake lot's gonna be done this summer. Guess who's doing it? This is exciting. Kevin! The same guy who did our backyard is doing the lake lot, and we have some very, 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 very fun plans. The plans are actually done. I think you might have seen kind of like the shed area plans. And then the landscaping is planned, and they start it, I think, next week. This week? They start it soon. And Niko's still eating Sammy's. So yummy. Look, that's what you look like. Who is that? Is that Niko Bear? Yummy. So should we go?
Yep, I got my swimsuit on.
Thanks for proving it. Adley's outside. She's been playing with his Barbie camper the entire day, non-stop. You still playing?
Yeah.
What's up, Ava? Oh yeah. What have you guys been playing?
Nothing.
Oh yeah?
Yep. And watch what I can do.
Wow.
I can climb up here.
American Ninja Warrior.
I could goldfish. Look, guys.
Oh, did you cook them over the fireplace? Oh, with the stove? Hey, what's this?
My gold.
You guys found gold?
Yeah.
How'd you find it?
Find it with this treasure map.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
That's a good idea. Treasure map gold. Makes sense.
Flag, watch out. No, and this isn't water. It'll make you look like a vlog. Billy, Bobby, bam, you're a vlog.
Wait, you're a vlog? Look, it's a vlog. Drink, drink, drink. We need to get your swimsuit on. Hurry.
Let's go. Come on.
You're gonna turn into a mermaid if you drink more water. Say, we're out of here. Let's get out of here. Let's get out of here. Can you open the door? Open it. Open it. You got this. Just kidding. We have baby-proof doors, or else he could. And we made it to the barbecue. What'd you get, Adley?
Watermelon, carrot, hot dog.
That looks pretty yummy. Did you steal Mom's fork?
No.
And what's Niko having?
Pass.
And these are all our neighbors, but I barely even know everyone. I know like
Where's my
2 or 3 or
fork?
1 families, but eventually all these people will be our best friends. Coming soon. Update, it started raining out of nowhere. So now it's a rainy summer barbecue, but still fun. I just found out there's a tournament, and it's like a Will It Shred tournament, so you can surf the weirdest thing. And that is gonna win for sure. Look at that. What do you call it?
It's the Aqua Wiggle, aka White Trash.
Wow, that's a good name too. Name and process. Looks really good. What else we got? What's this guy?
It's a pan.
All right, it's a pan. Yeah, that's a good start. Does it have a name?
No.
Let me help you out. Let's go Cookie Sheet Crusher. Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. And I see it getting like a 9.2 out of 10. Good luck out there. He's having a rough summer party.
Try this cookie,
That
it's
cookie?
amazing.
What does it taste like?
It's raspberry in the middle with 2 cookies smashed together. I went like this.
Is that good?
It's like a cookie and jelly sandwich. Just invention. And Niko's loving this summer barbecue. He's a cutie. Get it! Mom!
Oh,
We're playing volleyball.
I'm here to play volleyball, not hold your cookie. How am I supposed to hit a ball with this?
Yes, teamwork! We just got a plate!
Good job.
Nadia, let's go put your cookie by my cookie.
John's gonna make me play keeper.
Get it!
Yeah!
She's flying. Cheers.
Cheers.
Here, can you hold this camera really quick?
Yep.
Okay. Adley, we're gonna fly. Ready? Super Adley!
I'm dizzy.
Where is she?
There she is.
All right, ready? Got your own stuff. Good catch. Expert filming. Good job, dude.
Let's look out this window.
Yeah. We came home because we forgot her Barbie camper's out here. Save the Barbie camper.
Get it in the garage or out here?
I think out here's fine.
God.
Goldfish soup.
There's a puddle in here.
It's a Barbie camper. They're tough. Adley, do you want some goldfish soup?
No.
No, eat it, eat it, eat it.
Because you all looks like. Ew. Maybe when the sun comes up, maybe the Barbie house will dry off.
I think so. What?
Help me pick up all these toys.
Get the treasure chest.
All those toys are black.
Yeah. Inside?
Yeah.
I'm sad too.
I'm sad.
We're sad too. Let's save all the toys. The skate park is a swimming pool. No, my skateboards! Ah, they're all waterlogged. Look at that pool down there.
I'm gonna go in and swim.
Slide down on your bum. Woo!
Whoa, I like it. When the rain keeps going in, the skate park, we can swim in it.
Should we swim in it?
Yeah, right now.
Mom's jumping on the trampoline.
Mom, come here.
Mom, come look at the skate park.
That's crazy. There's a lot of water.
Hurry, I'll help you get out. Let's go inside. Ah, it's thundering. It's okay.
I don't like thunder.
Me either. Let's get out of here. Save the skateboards.
Going to a
Movie.
I got new dress.
Look how pretty this dress is. Do a little twirl.
Who's on your
Wow.
dress, Adley?
Belle.
I want to be in the middle. It's kind of a rainy day, so we got Niko a babysitter, and now I'm on a date with my girl. And what movie are we gonna see?
The Lion King.
The Lion King.
We just watched the cartoon the other day.
And it's
So
really
good.
fun, and Adley loves it.
We're watching the real Lion King.
Yeah, the
life
real
one.
one with real lions and stuff. I'm really excited. This was one of my favorite movies growing up.
Mine too.
Twinners.
But I'm not gonna like this movie because my dad told me there's a bad guy tiger.
Yeah, there's a bad lion. He's kind of mean, but that's okay, huh? Because the good lions win.
Yeah.
Simba puts the bad lion in the lava.
In the lava. Exactly.
Yeah.
It's kind of like a hot lava game.
Yeah.
All right, should we go?
Let's
Yeah.
go.
Do it.
Like a hot lava game. Come on, Vlogger. Hey. Hi, Vlog.
Okay, should we go get a treat?
Yeah, let's get popcorn.
Okay. You coming?
Doing it.
Good job. You got your popcorn?
I'm the holder.
Yeah, you're a popcorn holder.
It's 14.
Did you find 14?
I want getting in this one.
Some heroes are,
Oh,
others are unstoppable. God is part of a portable 10-piece.
Popcorn. Hi, neighbor. Do you want to move into this bench next to me? You could be my neighbor. You're my far away neighbor? Okay. Hi, neighbor. I like your dress.
Hi, neighbor.
Hi, neighbor.
Hi.
Jenny is so embarrassed. Hey, give me a bite.
This is exactly how our movie went.
The first half, she loved it. The second half, that the whole time.
She likes it when Simba was a baby.
And she can't remember the rest because she was tumbling.
Yes.